Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the last class, we have learned about domain controller. In today's class, we will learn what is MAC address. So it is very important thing in networking. Okay, what is the full form of MAC? Media Access Controller. So it is 48-bit address which is assigned to our laptop or computer. Okay. What is the main purpose of this Mac? So now let's see an example. Suppose we all are present in a classroom or a college. Okay, this is a college classroom. Okay, it could be any school or college. Now your teacher has assigned assessment or some homework. Okay, that homework has been done by everyone in the class. So teacher said, keep all the notebooks on front desk. As it is school or college, everyone's notebook is same with each other, with same size, same, and everything is same. Okay. At that moment or at the time, how will you identify after correcting each and every book by the madam or teacher? How will you identify your book? So at this time, you all are assigned with roll numbers. So you can say all are assigned with names also. So Raju is a guy. Okay, Raju is a person. There are two persons in the same class. At that time, you are unable to identify. Sham name or Ram is three persons. How can you identify your correct book at one time only? You are having only one chance to identify your own book. How will you identify? The question will rise like this. So at this time, roll number is an unique roll number to each and everyone in the class so that you can easily identify your book. So I hope you get understand. So simply as a summary, I will say your teacher has given you some homework. After that, everyone has completed their homework and teacher asked everyone to keep their notebooks on front table. And after correcting all the homework books, teacher said again, take your books at one time only. Like she given you one chance to take your one book. So each and everyone is going and checking their roll number and they are taking their books. The roll number here plays a crucial role or an important role that is mm, unique number. So this unique number, when you assigned in the classroom, you are easily identify your notebook. With same example, we will relate this all terms in the organization. Okay. So you are in an organization where it is a MNC like TCS, for example. There are number of laptops, desktops are there. Daily you will work and you will submit all the laptops to your manager or your store manager or your mm, asset manager after completing your work. So in the early morning, the next day when you came, how will you identify? E- Each and every laptop company is Dell. Every laptop color is silver. Okay. These type of laptops, how will you identify? At this time, you can say MAC address will helps you a lot. So you will open the computer and you will check the MAC address of your computer and whether it is matched to your computer, and you will take that computer to the work. Okay. So this is a real-time example where you can use. So how or where you can find your MAC address in computer? Steps to check. Press in the keyboard Windows plus R, or you can go to the search bar at here and you can type command prompt CMD. After uh, pressing Windows R, you can type command and OK. Then command prompt interface will open. Then you can type the command get MAC. Then it will display your MAC address. So this is the process we can follow in the computer. So let's start our process. So you can type CMD here. You can click over here, or you can press Windows R to open this one, and you can type here CMD and click on OK. It will open a command prompt. Now you can type the command get MAC. So at this moment, I got physical addresses. Here I can see three physical addresses because I'm using virtual machines. I'm using external adapters. For that purpose, it is showing me three devices. In your case, it will show only one. But I know this is my device address. So I will copy here and I'll redirect into Google Chrome and I will type MAC address lookup to check MAC address. So here you can check MAC address by pasting here, and you can click on search. It will give the details of the MAC address. So this is the first three details of first three bits, which is first 24 bits are assigned to the vendor. Who is the vendor? Vendor or company name. The device has been made by Qingkongfei Electronics Limited from China. Okay. Is this private? No, it is not private company. Sorry, it's not company. It is related to MAC address, not a private address. This is the address of that company. This is the block details, and it is registered block size, start address, end address, and assignment block, when it was created, when it was updated. Okay. So I took this on 2020, but this device has been prepared on November 5, 2019. I hope you have understood something about MAC address, how to find your own MAC address. After finding your MAC address, how you can check whether it is assigned to which company. For example, digital or computer crime investigators, they will take this MAC address and they will look up this MAC address to identify the which company's MAC address it is, and they will reach out to the company and they will ask to whom this has been sold. When you purchase your laptop, the laptop MAC address will assign to your name, your mobile number, or your personal details in their database. They will easily identify your details and they will provide to the crime investigators. This is how MAC address will comes into the place. I hope you are understood about MAC address. Now we will discuss about interview questions. So this is what MAC address we have till now we have seen. In interviews, how an interview raise questions for the MAC. So interview questions would be, what is MAC? So you can say MAC is a media access control, which is a unique address to identify the device, and it is it plays crucial role or important role in the device. So what is the size of MAC? Then you can say it is 48-bit address. What is the command to identify your MAC address in your computer? That is get MAC. Okay. Then can you identify by using your MAC address who is the vendor of that MAC address? Yes, I can identify by using MAC address lookup. These questions may rise in interviews by the interviewers in this topic. So I hope you all are understood. Thanks for joining. Signing off, Black Hat Commando.